Hey, if you're enjoying our content, please take a moment now and subscribe and like. The new Zoomi, literally first one rolling off the back of the truck. Comes in two colors, black and this beige. Thought I would get the beige, I quite like it. It's a little retro-y. This is like a bigger version of the Ado. Much more passenger room, that's for sure. 72 volts. I haven't taken the limiter off yet, but first drive. Yeah, nice and easy to ride. I just peered out of the corner. Yeah, nice and zippy. It's smoother. The Ado's got a little bit more, like, almost too zippy. This is, because the GT84 isn't being made anymore, so this is kind of your replacement for that, like your bigger scooter style. I'm 5'3", seat's a little higher, but not too high. Solid, so I'll do a features review next, but here's the first view of the Zoomi, and I like the name.